I'm hanging out at my xTool P2 laser because today's project is leather bookmarks, and we're going to cut that leather on the laser. And these bookmarks are going to have magnets in them so that they clasp to our book. Let's get started. I'm not quite as artistic as some of the people making beautiful signs and decorative pieces with their lasers. I tend to prefer projects that are functional, things that don't just sit on a shelf or hang on a wall, but can actually be used every day. When I started cutting leather on my xTool P2, I realized it opened the door to making functional items that still look great. By combining a few basic leather finishing techniques with the precision of a laser, the hardest part of leather work, accurately cutting the pieces, becomes incredibly simple. Once those basics are in place, the same techniques can be used across a huge range of projects: bookmarks, wallets, bags, and more. So in this video, I'm walking through the entire process of making a magnetic leather bookmark on the laser. Along the way, I'll cover the core leather skills that apply to many other projects, like edging, finishing, and stitching. After working through this project, those same fundamentals can be used to move on to more advanced leather projects. Drop down below in the description and you'll get those SVG cut files that are going to allow you to cut these leather pieces on your own laser. Along with that, it's going to include a materials list and a basic tools list to help you get started. And speaking of getting started, go ahead and check out this video here. And I'm going to show you how to make the most basic version of the bookmark that helps you get through the steps to get the basic functionality and give you an idea of what you're diving into. Or if you want something more refined, check out this video here where I show you how to make a polished version of the bookmark, starting out with dyeing that leather. And it's going to walk you through all the steps needed to get this thing looking beautiful.